It's super insane, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it totally for free.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you to get Heroes of History hack. So this is for iOS and Android. So let me just open it up right here and show you guys. So as you can see, I'm broke, but in the mod menu, I can turn on free gems. So I just turned it on. So let's see if our gems go up. So hopefully they do, guys, because I'm looking to get some money. So let's see what happens on Heroes of History, guys. Is it going to work or not? Alright, so I don't see anything, but it could happen. So let's see if we get rich or not. So I don't see any change. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's working. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this Heroes of History hack for your device. iOS and Android, guys. So let's get into the tutorial and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is type, we'll just type tweakmod.com. Alright, so once you're on this site, you put Heroes of History and then there it is. Press install, and before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. So this is the last step. You just got to download 2 apps, follow the instructions, 100% for free from official app store, and then you will get the modded version, guys. So let's just wait for this to load, as you can see. So I'm just going to give it a second to load up. So yeah, it shouldn't take that long, guys. So let's just give it a second, as you can see. So yeah, it's just loading up right now. So as you can see, guys, it is loading, so we're just going to give it a second. So as you can see, last step says missing files, so you just have to download like 2 of these apps. Like Underdog says down run for 30 seconds, or there's also like Scanner app when you guys search something up, the Moonicorn one. So make sure you guys do 2 of the apps, you'll be good to go. So there's a video if you're lost, but yeah, it's just super cool, guys. So if this tutorial works for you guys, be sure to go and share. I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.